In this video, I'll teach you how to create a slider like this for your TikTok videos and integrate it into Shopify. This enables customers to effortlessly play the video, thereby boosting brand trust and elevating your sales. We will learn 2 methods to add this code. The first approach involves placing it directly beneath the buy button, as shown here. The second method is to create an entire section, as you see here, which you can customize. Colors, sizes, videos, and the section title. I'll provide the code link in the video description. Additionally, I'll include a registration link for Shopify through which you'll receive a 3-day free trial, and your first 3 months on Shopify will only cost $1 per month. To accomplish this section, we have 2 distinct approaches. First, let's navigate to the online store. For the initial method, we'll proceed directly to open Customize in a fresh tab. This allows us to integrate this section anywhere we choose. For instance, I'll go to the main product page and position this section directly below the buy button. I'll click on product information here, and then below the buy button, I'll use my mouse to hover like this and click add block. Then I'll search for custom layout and select it. After that, I'll leave the code link for you in the video description. This is the initial code we will use in this section. We will begin by copying and pasting it right here. Subsequently, we can click on save. The section will now appear for us like this, in a slider format, just like that. It looks like TikTok videos. Certainly, we can easily replace these videos by selecting the section you've added. Then, by simply scrolling down, you'll find the modifications area, which includes adjustments for size, color, and other settings. You'll scroll down until you locate the video link situated between these quotation marks. Then, you will proceed to select your specific link. You have the ability to increase or decrease the video count, easily delete multiple videos, and replace them. It's recommended to upload these videos directly to Shopify for a smoother and faster import process. You can do this by coming here to the online store, clicking on content, then clicking on files, and then you can upload videos from here. Let's assume this is the video after you've uploaded it. You'll come to this area and copy the video's link. You'll come here, replace the video link in this exact manner, and then make sure to click on save. And just like that, the video has been replaced. Now the customer can simply click on the video and it will start playing for them effortlessly. The alternative approach enables us to integrate this particular section through a different process. To do this, we will navigate to the online store, then proceed to click on the 3 dots icon and subsequently select the edit code option. From there, we will access the Explorer, then locate the sections and finally open the code. We will then begin by accurately copying the complete name in this manner. Then we'll right-click on the Sections menu, select New File, and accurately paste the code's name. Following that, simply press Enter. From here, we'll copy the entire code again like this and paste it into this area. Afterward, we'll click Save, and just like that, we have added this code as a section. Now, if we go to the online store, we'll click on Customize, and now we can easily add this code by simply clicking Add Sections, then scrolling down until we locate the TikTok video slider, selecting it, and afterward, we can incorporate this section onto either the home page or the product pages. Now, from this point, we can augment the number of videos simply by clicking the mouse in this manner. In this area, we can paste the video link here, we can choose for it to be silent, and we can also choose to have the video play continuously. And if we click here, we can of course control everything. We can readily display the section title and modify it effortlessly. We can control the sizes just like this and also the colors quite simply. Let's go ahead and paste the video link here. So once you've uploaded the video to Shopify, you'll copy that video link, then paste it right here and select the video like so. The video will then display on your screen. You can simply repeat this process and all the videos you've downloaded from TikTok will be effortlessly added. After that, we'll click Save. This will be the section appearance on computer and this will be its appearance on mobile. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I post daily videos about Shopify, and that's it. This was today's tutorial. I wish you all the best and goodbye.